Good morning everyone. This morning we're going to discuss about universal values. I am the first presenter. I am Mary Jane Maniscanin Lawan. First, what is value? A value is a quality that wins people, things, events, or situations. When we say value, it is a quality that is important or desirable. For example, honesty is a value that many people appreciate. How about the universal? Universal is an adjective that is related to what belongs or which relates to universe. When we say universal, it is an adjective that describes something related to the universe or applicable everywhere. Value is a characteristic that is considered important or desirable, while universal refers to something that is related to the universe or applies everywhere. A value is a universal value if it has the same value or worth for all. It means that a value is considered universal if it is equally important or valuable to everyone, regardless of differences in culture, beliefs, or background. Universal values apply across the world, across country, culture, and region. This means that universal values are principles or beliefs that are relevant and significant regardless of the country, culture, or region. These values are applicable and important on a global scale, transcending geographical and cultural boundaries. The claim for universal values can be understood in two different ways. First, it could be that something has a universal value when everybody finds it valuable. Something is considered to have universal value if it is universally recognized as valuable as everyone. In this sense, the value is widely acknowledged and appreciated by all individuals. Second, something could have universal value when all people have reason to believe it has a value. It means that something possesses universal value when all individuals have rational grounds or reasons to believe that it holds a value. This perspective focuses on the logical and justifiable reasons that lead people to perceive the value of something universally. The role of law. The role of law suggests that no one is above the law and governmental decisions must be made only by applying known legal and moral principles. The role of law is a principle that emphasizes the idea that no individual or entity is exempt from the law, and all governmental actions and decisions should be based on established legal and ethical standards. The principles ensures that laws are applied consistently and fairly to everyone, without favoritism or discrimination. It also highlights the importance of making decisions in accordance with known legal and moral guidelines. Promoting accountability, transparency, and justice within a society.
Good day everyone, I am Saralyn Espinosa, the second reporter, and my topic is Universal Values, Power, Social Status, and Prestige, Control, or Dominance over People and Resources. Ito sila yung mga taong mayroong mga katungkulan na matataas yung mga ano nila sa buhay, like yung mga inuutos nila, yung parang yung kung ano yung inuutos nila or mga pinapagawa nila, ito yung susundin sila, like president, diba, may katungkulan siya. Kung ano yung inuutos niya or something, ano yung mga pinapagawa niya, yun lang yung susundin. Like yung may mga trabaho, meron silang amo. Yung sino yung amo doon, kung ano yung iutos niya o ipapagawa niya, yun lang din yung susundin. yan yung mga yan yung may mga power na kayang kaya nilang mag-utos ng iba, ganun. Then second is achievement, personal success through demonstrating competence according to social standards. So achievements, so all of us meron naman talaga tayong mga na-achieve. Then, may mga goals tayo sa buhay. Then, yung mga goal natin sa buhay is ma-achieve natin yon kapag syempre nagsikap tayo, ganyan. So, yun yung mga tatawag na achievements na kapag nagsikap, lahat ng gusto mo, ma-achieve mo yun. Parang makukuha mo lahat ng kagustuhan mo. Then, third is hedonisms. So, pleasure or sensuous gratification for oneself. Ito yung tinatawag na pag hedonism is mas inuuna mo yung kaligayahan mo kaysa sa iba. Kunyari, yung may problema ka. Tapos, naghahanap ka ng kalingawan mo para lang maging mas gumaan yung pakiramdam mo na kung may problema ka, hindi mo iisipin yung iba. Parang sarili mo muna yung unahin mo bitaw. Yung parang mas unahin mo pasayahin yung sarili mo kaysa sa iba. Next is stimulation, excitement, novelty, and challenge in life. So, stimulation refers to the experiences of excitement, novelty, and challenge to bring a sense of interest and engagement to life. It involves exposing oneself to new ideas, experiences, and activities that evoke a sense of curiosity, enthusiasm, and mental or emotional self-direction, independent through an action, closing, creating, and exploring. So, self-direction it is the ability to act independently by making choices, creating opportunities, and exploring new possibilities. It involves taking initiative, setting goals, and making decisions based on one's own values, beliefs, and interests rather than being influenced solely by external factors or pressures.
Hi, I am going to discuss the universal values, and some part of it had been discussed by my group mates, and I am going to discuss the remaining. And it includes universalism, benevolence, tradition, conformity, and security. Universalism, it is the understanding, appreciation, tolerance, and protection for the welfare of all people for need and for nature. And benevolence, it is the presentation and enhancement of the welfare of people with whom one is in frequent personal contact. And tradition, tradition needs respect, commitment, and acceptance of the customs, ideas, and the traditional culture or religion provide. Conformity, it is the restraint of actions, indications, and impulses like to upset or harm others and violate social expectations or norms. And lastly, the security. Security is the safety, harmony, and stability of society of relationship.
Good day everyone. So I'm gonna discuss about the UN Charter on Universal Values. So ang United Nations na sila gi-emphasize na tulo ka values na dapat ma-possess or masunod sa ilang mga suppliers sa goods and services. So number one is respect for fundamental human rights. So kani respect for fundamental human rights, universal ni siya despite sa imong nationality, ethnicity, religion, so saan sa imong mga tinuan. Example is kanang freedom of expression, religion, dayon freedom from torture and inhuman treatment, right to life, dayon that the right to education and decent standard of living. So ang second value is social justice and human dignity. So example ani is dapat ma-address na ang kanang mga inequality, discrimination, and poverty. Dapat ensure ang equal access to education and healthcare sa tanan citizen. So dayon avoid sa violence and discrimination. Then ang ikatulo is respect for the equal rights of men and women. So example is dapat men and women dapat na equal sa paghatag sa education, sa mga sa trabaho, dapat parehas sila og kanang pag-treat sa ila. Tapos sa mga political activity dapat parehas sila nga na kanang sila'y mahimo. Dayon dapat mawala na pod ang gender based violence, dapat kana sila nga ma-address na. Dayon sa ang United Nations Secretary General nga si Kofi Annan na siya ingon sa speech sa Tübingen University in Germany na ang progress, equal rights, and human dignity are acutely needed in the age of globalization. So si Annan further stated that 3 years ago in the Millennium Declaration, all states reaffirm certain fundamental values as being essential to international relations in the 21st century. So ang next topic na akong i-discuss is basic universal human values. Number 1 is happiness. Happiness is a state of well-being and contentment characterized by positive emotions, satisfaction, and fulfillment. So ang happiness is kanang kung magbuhat, example is kung magbuhat ka og kanang butang nga comfortable ka tas makontento ka. So example is kanang mag-volunteer ka sa mga any activity, then na spend kag time, quality time sa mga imong mga loved ones. So second na value is ang peace. Peace is freedom from disturbance. Peace is when people are able to resolve their conflicts without violence and can work together to improve the quality of their lives. So ang peace is or kuan siya ng absence of violence, conflict, and anxiety. So example kanang kung may conflict, ma-resolve ra ninyo through communication and understanding. Wala di mo gagamit og violence. So ang peace is kanang makapuyo ka sa kanang palibot nga kanang safe and secure. So next value is love. So love is a complex and profound emotion that encompasses a range of feelings, behaviors, and attitudes toward others. So ang love is naakay kanang deep affection or connection sa one or ga kanang pag-care sa ilaha. So example kanang naakay deep connection sa imong partner, so naakay strong bond sa imong friends and family, then kanang maka-feel kag empathy sa others. So next value is freedom. The experience of unrestricted and to be as much as possible independent of the social pressure of others. So ang freedom is makaaka without any restriction. So example kanang ka-travel ka bisag asa na lugar, then bisag unsa na mga culture mga experience, dayon ma-express nimo imong kaugalingon nga way kahadlok, then makahimo kag decision sa imong kaugalingon nga kinabuhi.
Safety. It emphasizes ang importansya sa pagprotekta sa mga tao from harm para ma-ensure ilang well-being o creating secure environment. Tungod ani, makabuhat og society that promotes trust. Example, public safety. Government o authorities have an ethical obligation para maprotektahan ang public safety, include ang implementing o enforcing law and regulation para malikayan ang crime. Intelligence. Ang intelligence gi-refer sa abilidad niya maka-acquire o apply knowledge, think critically, solve sa problema o mag-adapt sa new situation. Na-consider ang intelligence nga basic universal human value kay tungod highly valued o nakita after by individual across culture of time. Human respect. Ang most basic principle sa any social community tungod sa feeling of connectedness. Tungod ani, makabuhat og trust o friendly attitude towards others. Human respect, recognizing inherent worth, dignidad and rights sa individual regardless sa ilang background, belief o characteristic. Example ani, naay mag-amigo nga lahi og religious beliefs. They respect each other, religious belief and so on. This is showing human right because ilang gina-avoid any attempts to convert or belittle each other. Equality. It is originated gikan sa equalis, equalitas. Mga Old French words ni sila, meaning even, level, or equal. Gipromote ani ang idea nga tanang tao have equal right o access sa resources without discrimination or prejudice. Example ani, equality before the law, meaning tanan individual dapat i-treat equally o fairly sa legal proceedings, regardless sa ilang status, wealth, or any other characteristic. Ang ikadua, equal protection law, prohibits discriminatory practices para ma-ensure nga tanan individual kay dili ma-treat unfairly or subjected to unequal treatment based sa ilang protected characteristic such as race, gender, age, or disability.
So the next is justice. Justice is a concept of moral rightness, base ethics, rationality, law, natural law, religion, equity, and fairness. So justice is the state of being fair. Dapat fair lang. Kibali, dili pud ingon nga fair nga like kung makapatay ka, patyon po dapat ka, di ba? Kalas po kag kinabuhi ana. Dili lang po siguro inaon. Kung kibali kung nakasala lang siguro ka, kibali nangawat ka, makuha lang siguro ka, mapriso, ngawat ka og kwarta sa bangko, mapriso ka, panghinulsulan nimo imong sala didto, or like kung pila man ang gisentence sa imuha, 6 years, 5 years, bahay na para lang pod nga dili makaingon pod nga gibuhat ni nako, okay ra kay walay consequences, dili ko mapriso. Dili lang pod niyo dapat nga na equal, di ba? Being the state of being fair that exists without human intervention. So nature, sa imong palibot, makita nimo ang nature. Like, ibutang ta lang agroforestry, nature. Naay living things o non-living things dito, like mga insects, tiny animals na dito, nga wala nag-intervene ng mga tao, like kung butang ta lang na ay spider nga nagbuhat og web nila, tas naay na-trap nga prey or nga flies baka nga wala nag-intervene ng tao kung like gina save sa tao ang iyang prey na, di ba? Or giguba baka sa tao ang web sa spider. It's part of the nature, like it's either you eat or be eaten. Nabi apoy kuan din na, di ba? Like makakontrol, di ba? Kaya kung wadon nimo tanan predator, ang mga prey pud nila managhan. Walay equality, walay balance sa nature. Dapat nagi mo kaon ana niya. Next is health. World Health Organization or WHO defined health as being a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. So kaning health na to dili lang kay defined siya sa absence of a disease, dili lang kay nasakit nata sa infirmity. Napo ni sila sa physical, ba? Like proper hygiene. Ligo ba ka? Nang-brush ba ka? Nang cutter ba ka? Nangimasa ba ka? Na kuan ba ka sa imong nanghinlo ba ka sa imong dalunggan? For example lang. And mental health nato is sa atong pangutok. Kung dili ka mukaon, nagi posibilidad nga maango-ango ka. Mental ka. Kana pong for example na lang kanang ibuwagan kasi mong uyab. Medyo hubot imong una-una di ba dana? Mong mental health nimo medyo na troubled ka kay buwagan ka, pamati nimo wala nay silbi mong kinabuhi nga OA char. And social well-being. So social well-being kani siya like for example student. Then naamoy group activity. So ikaw kung dili gid ka mo makiusyoso, dili ka mo approach sa imong mga kagrupo o sa inyong leader, tungod adto wala sila kabalo nga kauban mo or something like that, dili ka maapil, wala ka katabang, dili ka i-appeal. So, tungod adto wala kay grado, pagsaka wala gid kay di ka graduate, wala kay tarong nga trabaho puhon og magpabilin ka nga giwawon, di ka manggi usyoso. And last but not the least is human dignity. So dignity comes from the Latin word dignitas, means worthiness. Dignity is the right of the person to be valued and respected for their own sake and to be treated ethically. So human dignity. So kita man siguro tanan na ay dignidad nga kung matandog like medyo malain ta, di ba atong pride, di ba? Butang ta lang astig kay ka nga tao, astig, cool, then namoy PIT na ipasayaw mo, di ba? So sa manimo grado o dignidad, pili ka siguro grado, sakit in na lang ano na yung pride para pag-grado ka, diba? So that's all for today. Thank you for listening. I hope naamoy nakatun-an sa amuang report, and thank you.